Hey everybody, 6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. We got a great meal tonight. It's a great meal to end the week. It is slowly becoming one of my favorite meals. Tonight we are doing a penne in with broccoli, grape tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes, in a pesto sauce. And like I said, this one is slowly becoming one of my favorites for two reasons. Number one, it's damn tasty. Number two, it is like simple to cook. So I got my frozen broccoli, I got my canned sun-dried tomatoes, I got my canned pesto sauce, and any pesto sauce will do, whatever floats your boat. I got my organic penne. So I don't know if you guys can see, I got my tomatoes, the grape tomatoes just cut in half there, and I got some garlic here that I'm gonna go ahead and just crush up this last one and chop up some garlic here. All right, follow me. I'm gonna get this, if you guys could see in the pan there a little bit, I got a little bit of olive oil in my pan. Gonna heat that up. Gonna get my water boiling again. So while that's all cooking, question of the day. Here's the question of the day. Have you ever, or would you ever, microwave a meatloaf? Here's what I'll say about the microwave meatloaf. Number one, I've had it before. Number two, I didn't know it was microwaved when I had it. And number three, I would have no idea. So, if you have ever microwaved a meatloaf or would ever microwave a meatloaf, give me 2 thumbs up in the comments. If you think it's like the grossest thing in the world, whatever. Give me a gross emoji, give me 2 thumbs down, give me whatever you want to give me. But I'm telling you right now, look, when I found out it was microwaved, I'm not going to eat it again, but I had no idea. All right, so let me throw my 6 cloves of garlic in here. You going with no on the microwaved meatloaf? Yeah. Listen, totally fine. But again, I will say this. Like, I've had it. I had no idea it was microwaved, and I ate it without any problems or questions. And then I found out it was microwaved, and I wanted to, like, barf. That's a no. So 2 no's for the microwaved meatloaf, babe. You tell him. Come on. You tell him.
I did not microwave a meatloaf, but my mother has microwaved a meatloaf before. So Ma, I don't know if you're watching or will be watching later on. Your meatloaf in the microwave is pretty damn good. And Tommy had no idea it was microwaved until I told him. Now, people don't know.
Hey, I'll do like 2 tablespoons of pesto in with the garlic right now as it's cooking, and I'm gonna mix that around.
What people don't know is that you were a very good cook. Ow! Ow!
You gotta be careful, this is a war zone here.
Jesus, God almighty.
Come on.
I just got burned with your pesto.
That's what she said.
My mother's a very good cook. She had 3 kids, and she had to cook fast. And so she learned how to microwave a meatloaf, and it's pretty damn good. And
Hashtag microwaved meatloaf.
I will challenge anyone if I put a regular meatloaf and
Hey Cheryl, hey Maddie.
Meatloaf in there, you would not know the difference.
So now that we got that covered, all right. So look, so I got my pesto mixed in there. Let me show you guys. Mixed in with the cooked garlic. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the cut up tomatoes. All right, so now I got these grape tomatoes all cut up in half, and I add those here. Okay, and I mix those all in, and I'll do this for about, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes until they start to wither? Wilt away. Shrink until they get a little bit of shrinkage. Plasmolysize. So for those of you guys that are tuning in for the first time, welcome to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. I go live every weeknight at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, and I cook quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. And really, I want to help the busy parents out there, the busy people that pull their hair out at night saying, oh my God, what am I going to cook? And you wind up, sending them to the baseball, what do they call it? The concession stand behind the baseball field, like my ma used to do in the summer. Give me $2 and tell me to go buy some hot dogs.
Do I have time to shower? How long is this going to take?
This is actually kind of quick.
So you're encouraging me not to shower?
Shower after the meal. And that's the other thing. So at the end of the meal, so I'm the Skinny Guinea, my kids are the mini guineas, and Michelle is the guinea pig. And at the end of every show, we feed the guinea pig a little portion of the meal that I cooked, and she gives us either 2 thumbs up if it's awesome, 1 thumb up if it's like, yeah, it's good, but needs a little bit of salt or whatever, 1 thumb down if it's like, you've done better, Guinea, or 2 thumbs down if it's like, Snickers and Rolo wouldn't even eat this crap. Stop. Would you or have you ever microwaved a meatloaf? I want to know. So I got the pesto. I got about 6 cloves of garlic that I just cooked up till fragrant, maybe a minute or so. Then I threw in 2 tablespoons of pesto. And then I threw in the grape tomatoes, cut in half, and that's where we're at. And we're cooking these until they plasmicize. Say hi. Here's one of the mini guineas. Say who you are. See. That's Morgan, one of the mini guineas. Hey. Yeah, babe, a lot of no's on the microwave meatloaf. So Michelle's saying don't knock it till you try it. So I'm gonna go get my big broccoli, my broccoli bag. You can see here, I'm moving the tomatoes off to the side for now. And I'm gonna dump the broccoli. I'm gonna use 2 bags. Wow, some of this broccoli's big. Now I'm gonna add another couple of tablespoons of the pesto sauce right on top. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna cover this a little bit, but I'm just gonna move this broccoli around here. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover this just because it's frozen broccoli. Cover that, let that cook. I got my water boiling over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my pasta in. Now I'm making 2 pounds of pasta. Again, for those of you that have been watching, we like leftovers, right? So 2 pounds will give me enough of leftovers. Negative Ghost Rider on the meatloaf.
When we used to live with my mother, she would always cook. She's a very good cook. She went to school. She was going to be a home economics teacher, so she knows what she's doing in the kitchen. And she microwaved a meatloaf to save time. Tommy ate it, and he liked it. And then after, he was probably asking how she made it. She told him she microwaved it, and he was mortified. And then all of a sudden was like, "Oh my God, it's so gross." Hold on, no. And so now he's all grossed out by it. But he definitely liked it. It's not like he ate it and was like, "Oh, something's weird about this." Whatever. I liked it.
Okay, so I got 2 pounds of pasta cooking right now. Alexa, 6-minute timer. All right, so this is cooking up nice. Let me show you what's happening here. This is good. The frozen broccoli's cooking up. I got a lot of pesto in here. You guys can take a look. You guys see that? Yeah, good for them. Gotta cut the broccoli up because my wife doesn't like anything big. So I'm in luck. All right, so pasta's ready to go. Now, I'm gonna save some of this water. Alexa, stop timer. Keep an eye on my broccoli. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix this all up. And I'm gonna add my sun-dried tomatoes now. If you don't like sun-dried tomatoes, you should. A little bit of the oil goes in here too. It's nice. But the sun-dried tomatoes here is like, it really gives it a very, very nice flavor. All right, so now all this stuff goes on, mixes all in here. This is Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. We do, I go live 5 nights a week, every weeknight at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and I cook quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. So I'm gonna put, I don't know, put most of it in here. All right, I'm gonna mix this in now. Now I'm gonna add this nice and slow here now. You could use chicken broth if you want to use chicken broth. Look, you could use wine if you want. If you want that, you know, that wine flavor, a little bit of white wine, doesn't matter what kind, whatever you got in the house. I mean, I'm gonna add a little bit more again. Shell likes it liquidy. And we're trying to get 2 thumbs up from the guinea pig. The 2 thumbs up from the guinea pig is what we're going for here. So I gotta try to get 2 thumbs up from the guinea pig, and I know she likes it liquidy. So if you don't like yours as liquidy, okay, don't add as much liquid at the end. This is ready to go, guys. Look at that. Smells amazing. The pesto is great. It's like that mixture of the pesto and the sun-dried tomatoes that's like, it's really awesome. Healthy, you know. Now, if you want to, you can substitute like a chickpea pasta too. When you mix it all in, it's like, you can't really tell the difference. I mean, my kids do. I don't think one person has said that they would microwave their meatloaf. Microwave your meat. All right, guinea pig. You ready? Okay, here we go. We're gonna feed the guinea pig. So we're gonna get just a little bit. Just a little bit so she could get the taste. Okay, follow me. Here's the dish. Okay. All right, wait, right there. Babe, you're on camera. All right, wait, not yet. I'm gonna give you some cheese. Hold on.
I'm telling you, microwavable meatloaf is not as bad as it sounds.
Gotta give her a little fresh grated cheese on this. We're trying to get 2 thumbs up from the guinea pig. Okay, babe. Let's see.
I don't like having to eat on camera.
Just do it.
Very good.
Yeah! 2 thumbs up from the guinea pig. So that's it, guys. Like I said, this meal, it's really quick. You know, I probably went a little bit over because it is frozen broccoli that I used. It's super, super tasty if you like pesto. And we are signing off for the weekend, guys. Be smart, be safe, have a great weekend. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it fast.
Wait,
Even in
Daddy,
the-
are you going to
Cooking with the Skinny Guinea.
buy?
Finish it fast, even in the kitchen.
Are you going to be doing a Cooking with the Skinny Guinea next on summer break?
Yeah, Monday we'll do another one. Catch me Monday, guys, 6 p.m. Facebook. See you later. Have a good weekend.